Why be in business if you're not profitable? Perhaps your business is turning over a great deal of money, but not making much profit. Or perhaps you would like to make more. This course is structured in simple language, using concepts that anybody can understand. No experience with bookkeeping or accounting is necessary. The process of increasing your profitability can be stated simply: bring more money in and spend less. Improving Profit, an interactive 2-day workshop that shows busy people the options they have to do this. Held at our training facilities in Kew, Victoria, or anywhere in our region, participants will have ample opportunity to discuss their individual businesses during this course. This training will pay for itself very quickly. Learn the 3 ways to increase your revenue, wage cost control strategies and a costed rostering system, control of food and beverage costs, effective purchasing, wastage control, reducing overhead costs, effective use of management software and systems. We've been training business owners and managers since 1987. Eldred Hospitality.